Hey there, budding artists! Today, we're diving into the magical world of 3D shapes. Get ready to learn and create as we draw 7 incredible shapes together. Are you excited? Let's pick up our markers and begin this colorful journey. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, my artistic friends, grab your markers and let's get started with our 3D shapes. Let's begin with a sphere. Draw a round shape, just like a ball. Picture it coming to life. Next up, let's draw a prism. Sketch those straight lines and make it look like it's popping out. Now, let's create a cuboid. Imagine a rectangular box with depth and edges. Moving on to a cube. Draw those equal sides and make it look like a perfect square from every angle. Let's sketch a cylinder. Picture a tall cup shape with a rounded top and bottom. Now, let's draw a pyramid. Imagine a triangle at the base with sides rising to meet at the top. Last but not least, a cone. Sketch a circular base tapering up to a point. It's like an ice cream cone. Time to add some vibrant colors to our fantastic 3D shapes. Blue color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Purple color. Blue color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Red color. Orange color. Green color. Fluorescent green color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Red color.
Cool!
Bravo, my little artists! Your colorful 3D shapes are now bursting with life. If you had a blast creating these, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next artistic adventure. Until then, keep drawing, keep exploring, and keep making the world more vibrant with your art. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.